Hi! Michael, you're not the spongy person, but like you want. Good morning, mga kapatis. Today is a Monday, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna vlog because I don't have a daily vlog yet. And can I just share that I woke up at 6:30 a.m. But alam mo nyo yung wake up na sinusnooze ko yung sinusnooze yung alarm. So I got up at like 7. And Blythe was like, oh my gosh, Basti, I'm sorry I wasn't able to wake you up. Then I woke up and I'm going to the gym. I have school. Today is my most hectic day for school. But I'm not sure if I have online class later, but yeah, I have school until 8 p.m. later, and it's a very busy week. Luck to me, sana hayanan ko you guys gym wherever I'll be at. Bye. I made it. Coach, are you proud of me? And here, by the way, may mga nagre-request kasi nagawa daw ako ng 1 week workout ko. Kaso lang ayoko pa siyang gawin. Kasi kung 1 month na akong consistent talaga na nag-workout, like every week, gagawin ko. But for now, flips muna. Coach, what are we doing today? Full body. Full body. Just later, after ko sa Rex ko, babalik ako dito. I'm gonna do cardio. Like that. Like that. I can do this. 12 reps, 3 sets. 2, 3. No pain, no gain. 4. Hindi naman ako nagsasalita kapag 5. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Siguro ang next kong video is kapag asa school na ako. So see you guys later. Hi guys. Say hi. Say hi. Lexi, say hi.
2 for midterms and 2 for finals.
Ayaw na na.
Hindi ako perfect.
One cut na lang ako.
How about me, sir?
Ano?
How about me, sir? We're gonna screen it naman eh. So, yeah.
Pero
hello mga kapatty. Hello kapatty.
I put the bullet points sa baba.
Hello
the targets is communities now don't do what's actually happening on the ground.
Hello kapatty. Pero kasi,
Hello
ay
kapatty.
hindi. Pero kasi,
Taking a vote to see who loves Bea B. Hey,
Hey,
hey.
okay.
Who's taking a vote? Who loves Bea B here? Raise your hand. I say hi. What an awkward name. If you won 10 million in a casino, what would you do with it? Sir,
Save for family and
wala kang bibilin, sir.
mahal lang pagbabae.
what? Ano sabi ni sir?
I like to raise a family. I don't
Raise a family?
know. That's so much. Like marriage and for house.
Are you married na, sir? Are you married na?
Ito
I have to save up for it.
Okay. But do you have a girlfriend, sir? Or a boyfriend?
What would you do?
You know what I would do, sir? If I won 10 million in the lottery, make it 20 million. Gamble it again. You never stop.
Actually slept. It's this thing when you're a morning person, like you finish all that you need and then you don't know what to do next. No, but I do have deadlines and I have class, an evening class later. So right now I'm just gonna finish the presentation that I have with my group mates for my evening class, and then that's actually it for today. I'm gonna start on sa deadlines ko, and I also need to finish editing my Bali vlog. Tapos, I'm busy tomorrow.
Tapos sinisisiw-sisiw nyo na yung mga ganitong events. Tapos ako, grabe yung kaba na nararamdaman.
Grabe. Kaba siya, guys.
Robia Mateo, Bea Boren, Sofia Pablo, and Cyril Manabat, among many others. Alright, ladies and gents, I think he is ready. Let's all have him on stage right now. Ladies and gents, let's give it up for Justine Borlado. Dressed up in a very beautiful dress, ladies and gents, let's welcome in the very beautiful Bale Boren. Hi everyone.
May Sisi, may Bessie, and your Kapeti. Bale Boren. Alam, mabalik yung... I'll show you guys the difference. Side na mirror at side na pag-apply ng makeup. Okay, moving forward, we'll use... Diba? So youthful. So yun lang, sana may natutunan kayo. Glowing your skin niya. And then...
Where are we going?
A day in a life as Athenians in Taft.
Hi, Jem! Where are we going?
I don't know.
I don't know. We're going to Taft. Why are we going to Taft?
Kasi balita ko marami daw dong masarap. The food.
You know what? Kasi Michael and I were done na kasi sa class. And then, Michael was like, Tara, let's go to, mall?
A cafe or like a mall.
Sabi ko, ayoko mag-mall. Kasi sabi niya, sige, tara, Taft. So, ito ako, madali kausap. May car naman. So, we're on the way to Taft. Like, guys, literal, oh. What's this? Skyway? Skyway, diba?
Para sa kape, nag-skyway.
Guys.
Sana nagtagaytay na lang.
Kitay na lang.
Uy,
ayoko.
tayo.
It's
far.
yan. And I put on lashes, guys. Can you believe it? Nag-lashes ako and nag-eyeliner ako. Okay, so yeah, we're going to Taft. I'll update you guys later. So random. Michael, you're not a sponty person, diba? Like, you want plan. Pero I feel like he's slowly becoming sponty because of me.
Yeah, your impact.
Oh. See y'all later. Michael, what are we doing here?
We're gonna go to Moro.
Ako yung nasalin, tapos parang ikaw yung nagtutour guide sa akin.
Right! Batang Maynila!
With my home turf. Yung mga tambay dyan, kilala ko.
Sabi ko sa'yo, ayoko.
Grabe naman.
Sarap.
Nag-order ako ng McDo. Ano ito ba din yung order?
I haven't eaten it. I haven't tried it. Kain, guys.
Ganyan ba pag walang jowa? Babe, kain na.
Guys, this is the pumpkin spice. But then I had to change. Instead of the regular milk, I got I got soy milk.
I have yet to try pumpkin spice. I've never.
It's good.
Sarap.
You wanna try it, Elsie?
Sige, sige. Not nice.
I love kasi mga cinnamon.
Christmas. Parang Christmas vibes talaga sa cinnamon.
Yeah, it's good.
But,
Noel.
miss you.
Noel. Ano yan? Dumating ka lang dito para mag-hi sa akin?
Oh, dude, I have to go.
Where you going?
I have to go home. Huwag mo na ako backpack ko.
Totoy. It's okay, you're my favorite Totoy. Morning, guys. It's 10:34 a.m. And I have a very, very, very busy day today. And good luck to me kasi very, very busy. Anyways, usually, diba, I start very early to go to the gym. But the thing is, now, I don't have the time to do that. Baka later, ng treadmill. Pero ngayon, mag-aano muna ako. Mag-requirements ako. And then, for the rest of the day, grabe, super, super busy ako. So, yeah, I'm gonna do my research. Full production! Under na ang G! Hi, Ate April! Ate Grace and Mama G is here. Woot, woot, woot!
Sige
Bea, and then after ni Bea, ikaw naman. Oh, okay.
Hi mga kapatid, we're here at the Sheen campus, diba?
Yep.
I'm here with
Ashley Colat. Ready? Okay ka.
in front of
Virata School of Business. See you guys here. Hi!
Hi, Bea. Happy vlog.
Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and...
Hi mga kapati! I'm here at the Sheen campus tour. I love it. Actually, pwede na pala ko. Bagay ba to? Parang bagay siya sa red. Bagay siya sa red.
Ashley Collab right here. Hi, girl. Yes, so, guys, we're going to be having an interactive talk, so do prepare a question.
I think...
Take your time, Bea. We'll wait for an answer.
I think both.
I'm very indecisive. So. She's very open-minded, guys.
Yeah.
Wearing neutrals. And now to close it off, I think we should invite them for a photo.
Justin and I are sober, but nag-uusapang lasing kami. We were talking about leaving everything behind and just going to America.
Pero, yun yung gusto niyang gawin ngayon. Like, literal, nag-iisip na siya kung anong work niya, anong pwede niyang gawin doon.
Kasi, di ko alam kung magkaka-jowa ako dun eh, or may mga...
Mas madali magka-jowa doon.
Ano mga pangit mag-jowa sa akin? Yun talaga yung bet nila eh.
Yeah, morena na... Ganun yung ano.
Yeah, ganun. Pero, hindi kasi, kung mag... Pero...
Magkano pang inang sarap na ito, walang lang. Mini parmesan. Is this the bag?
No. Hi mga kapati! So before I end this video, of course, we have to do a Lovito haul! So mga kapati, you guys know that I always have a Lovito haul every month. And the items that I picked this time is very cute. Alam niyo naman yan, I love Lovito. I always get my clothes from Lovito. So, of course, we need to have pink. So this is a very cute, very classic. Ewan ko, mahilig ako sa mga ganito, sa mga basic. Ang ba tawag dito? Tank top. Basic tank top na may lace. So, very cute. Then next, I got another basic tank top. Well, I love yung mga ganito because it's so easy to match. Usually kasi my go-to basic outfit is just jeans and a top, and then that's literally it. Yeah, it's just basic but the fabric is nice. It's soft. Maganda siya sa skin. So, maganda sa skin! So, yeah. There's that. And then next is I got cute dresses. Actually, there's cardigan nga dito. I just don't know where it is. But yeah, this is the maxi dress. That's very, parang siya pasil. Hindi ko alam. Pero yung cute niya, ang ganda niya. Yeah, cherry prints. And then white. Of course, I love the color white. Yeah. And then meron siyang pa-red bow dyan. Cute, very cute. I love it. I really like it. And that, it's long. It's long. And then, I got another dress with cherry prints. It's so cute. Ipapa-alter ko to guys kasi it's sayang. Ang cute niya eh. Like, I'll make it shorter. And then, I love the color. Parang it's giving very Korea. Kaya, ayan. Very nice. Then, I got another dress. Actually, if you follow me on my social media accounts, pinapost ko talaga to. But yeah, this is a brown dress. Cute lang siya. So cute. Plaid prints. And then you can wear it like off shoulder or pantaloon, tapos wear yung puffy. Tapos of course, mini dress. I feel like kahit na hindi na siya masyadong in-trend, I'll always wear mini dresses. And then next, I got another dress that's color blue. I usually don't go for the color blue, but I just find myself liking this. I wore this in school, and I wore it with the boots, and it was so nice. It was so bad. I love the fit of this. Hindi ko na siya kailangan pa-alter. And then, I got two polos. Different color lang siya. One is pink, and then one is blue. And then, meron siyang something dito sa scarf. other scarf? Ah, wala. But yeah. Ah, ito. Ito, may scarf siya. So, ayan, ang cute niya. I love my button downs. If hindi obvious, mahilig ako sa mga button downs din. Medyo lang nahihirapan akong style to. Pero, I love wearing my button downs. So, it's such a classic. I am currently editing my video and then I realized, oh my gosh, I don't have an outro. But anyways, before I end this vlog, make sure that you use my code LOVITOBEA. And guys, it's so easy. Here are the instructions. All you have to do to avail the code is go to Shopee and then type LOVITOBEA. And then that's actually it. And then check out. And then input the codes that you want to buy. Anyways, mga kapeti, I hope you enjoyed that vlog. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends if you did enjoy it. Bye! Mwah.